Hey everybody, what's going on? My name is Craig Howard. Today we're going to make Black Rifle Coffee Company's April 2023 exclusive coffee subscription. This month is called Roast Warrior. Check this out. Black Rifle's packaging is always super cool. And we've got a freezer in our garage that we put all our stickers on. Check it out. Did you see any on there that you recognized? Okay, so here we go into our famous broken grinder. We like this grinder a lot, but the button broke. We have to use like a little knife or a toothpick or something pointy to make it work. So we're going to use their recommendation of 17-to-1 ratio. That was 2 ounces by weight of ground coffee times 17, 34 ounces of water. Just a little bit of math right here. For the 17-to-1 ratio, that is about 2 pounds and 2 ounces of water we need. Zeroed out the scale again so that we can measure how much water we're putting in. Look at it bloom. So we just keep adding water till we get to that number that we're looking for. This time, like we said, 2 pounds, 2 ounces is what we're going for. Using a pour over is a little bit slower and more hands-on, but it produces a great cup. Almost there. There we go. We'll just let that finish filtering and we're ready to pour. Swirl that up so it gets nice and homogeneous. Pour that in your Yeti. Shout out to John Dudley and Knock On Archery. And of course, Black Rifle Coffee. Their ECS roasts are always awesome.